We're here at the AMRC in Sheffield, and I'm so excited to introduce you to a brand new member of the MTD team. That's why he's wearing an MTD top. It's Mohamed. Please, Mohamed, can you introduce yourself to the audience?
Hi, Rowan. Nice to meet you here at the MRC. I am Mohamed, Mo, and I have experience in engineering, mostly in manufacturing. And I spent some time here at the MRC as a research engineer and moved to the training center as a lecturer. And I teach a lot of subjects about manufacturing and Industry 4.0.
And I love the fact you've got such a breadth of knowledge in engineering. It's not just in the practice of running machines, it's in teaching about, there's a lot of, there's a huge range.
And there's also some background in machine tool design as well. So I've got understanding of machine parts, machine part manufacturing, assembly and drawings, all these kind of stuff. So it's a blend of experience from industry and academia, machine tool manufacturing, everything.
I look forward to your first machine review when you're absolutely picking apart a machine. I don't look forward to whoever's going to be undergoing that machine review, but I'm sure that'll be exciting.
I look forward to it myself as well.
Brilliant. And what are you going to be doing? What have you been doing at MTD? And how do you think your skills will translate into that new role?
There is a lot of new technologies coming in the market, and I need to transfer this technology to the audience in their language. So my role with the MTD is to reach out for those customers and relay or convey all these information in the language they can understand. So this will be my part with the MTD, to present the content in the Arabic language for the EMEA region.
Brilliant. For those viewers who've not, I personally hadn't heard of EMEA in a while. It's a certain region in the world. What region is it?
EMEA is a short for Europe, Middle East and Africa. And as you know, most of the Arabic-speaking audience are based in North Africa, the Gulf state area. So I will be making content for those potential customers. So if a company is interested in producing something in this particular language, please speak to the MTD. So we are happy to come to visit your workshop, your factory, your showroom, and produce world-class, high-quality content for you. And of course, it will be broadcast on a channel with a global audience, which is the MTD.
Brilliant. Thank you very much, Mo. And I think it's a very good point that there's such a massive audience in the world that are Arabic speaking and may not speak English. They probably speak a bit of it, but some might not speak English at all.
You would be surprised that there is 400 million Arabic speaking audience in the Arabic region only. So
and if we can reach those, that have a big impact on the technology adoption around the world.
Exactly.
Why do you think it's taken MTD so long to get into, well, to try and reach an audience like that?
MTD actually has reached out for the region previously and presented in exhibitions in the United Arab Emirates. But MTD is looking for presenting something in the language that people can understand. So this is why I'm in and I'm going to be presenting this.
Definitely. Those technical topics are definitely much better presented in a native language than in kind of the English that we all know, and yet still doesn't quite fit meanings that people might need. Yes. That's brilliant. One last point from you, Mo. If you were to sum up what you can offer companies watching this video, what can you offer to them if they're trying to get into that market?
I can offer them all the MTD services in the local language. Say if they want filming about their activities or their events, their workshop, factory or showroom, I can come and do that for them and broadcast on the MTD, which is on YouTube and also on the application, and people can reach different continents on the application. So that will be delivered to large or wide range of audience as well.
Thank you very much, Mo. Now, if you need to get in touch with him, it's mo@mtdcnc.com if you want to reach 400 million Arabic speakers.